Good day, construction enthusiasts. Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we provide valuable insights on all things construction. Today, we will be discussing a topic that is vital for every homeowner: the difference between a roof repair and a roof replacement. This video is divided into 10 sections and will be around 5 minutes long. So sit back, grab a cup of coffee, and let's get started. Roof repair and roof replacement. What's the difference? The purpose of roof repair. A roof repair is a temporary solution to fix a specific problem with your roof, such as fixing a leak or fixing a missing shingle. It's meant to extend the life of your roof and is often performed to solve a small issue. The purpose of roof replacement. A roof replacement, on the other hand, is a permanent solution to replace your entire roof. It's performed when your roof is beyond repair and can no longer provide adequate protection for your home. A roof replacement is often necessary when your roof is old, damaged, or has been exposed to severe weather conditions. The cost of roof repair versus roof replacement. Roof repair is generally more affordable than a roof replacement. The cost of a roof repair depends on the extent of the damage, but it's often significantly less than the cost of a full roof replacement. The longevity of roof repair versus roof replacement. While a roof repair can extend the life of your roof, a roof replacement offers a longer lifespan. The lifespan of a roof replacement depends on the type of material used, but it can be up to 25 years or more. The benefits of roof repair. The main benefit of a roof repair is its affordability and the fact that it can quickly solve a specific problem with your roof. The benefits of roof replacement. The benefits of a roof replacement include a longer lifespan, improved energy efficiency, and an overall better-looking roof. A roof replacement also provides an opportunity to upgrade to a more durable and energy-efficient roof material. When to choose roof repair? If you have a small issue with your roof, such as a leak or a missing shingle, roof repair is the best choice. When to choose roof replacement? If your roof is old, damaged, or has been exposed to severe weather conditions, a roof replacement is the best choice. It's important to replace your roof before it causes more extensive and costly damage to your home. Conclusion. In conclusion, roof repair and roof replacement are two different solutions to address issues with your roof. While roof repair is a more affordable and temporary solution, roof replacement offers a longer lifespan, improved energy efficiency, and an overall better-looking roof. When choosing between the two, it's important to consider the extent of the damage, the age of your roof, and your budget. That's all for today's video, construction enthusiasts. We hope this video has provided valuable insights on the difference between a roof repair and a roof replacement. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on all things construction. Until next time, stay safe and keep building.